So what up hombres? How's it going, my friends? Welcome to the Mighty Spoon Show. We're out in the forest. Just wanted to show you this thing. We got a big old metal fence here, and then whoa, what's going on here? It's gone right through the tree, mate. So weird. Look at that shit. It's growing right around it. So yeah, that's just pretty cool. But yeah, sorry for not uploading in the past week or two. I've just been taking a little break. It's all been getting a bit stressful, really. Just everything's fucking stressing me out, and I just couldn't be arsed really to go out and film or upload or anything. But yeah, we are about to climb this big oak tree here. It's quite a gnarly looking thing. Look at that cavity at the bottom there, and it's surrounded by badger den, well, badger holes. Look, we got a hole here, a hole here, so hopefully, and then loads of holes over there. Hopefully the badgers don't come and like eat my bag or whatever. Just down there is the last big tree we climbed on the channel. But yeah, just take a look at this big boy. And we've got a zoot as well, because obviously can't be filming no session without the smoke, you know. It's got to be a smoke session. So I already got the rope up. If anyone's wondering, how do you get a rope up there? You know, that's just a secret, trade secret, mate. Now I'll tell you in another episode. But yeah, gonna yank my way up to the top of there and then film a little session. So cheers, my friends. Be sure to roll something up or pack a bowl, and you know, let's just have a nice, make a day of it, you know. Cheers. So as you can see, we are up here. Look, you can see all the badger holes on the floor there. Can you see them? 1, 2, so many of them. Mate, this is fucking one of the coolest places I've ever climbed. Quite a nice oak tree, but it is dead. Look how fucking dead it is, man. Every branch as well. This one's pretty sturdy actually. But yeah, like every branch has some sort of fucking rot on it. Look, that's all dead. That's how close I am to the top, pretty much there. But yeah, gonna try and find a place to smoke. Might go over to that stem there, but it's a bit of effort to be honest. But yeah, just enjoy that view down to all of you that are scared of heights. And yeah, no, that was pretty long. It's like 10 minutes to climb up. Fucking tiring. But yeah, worth it, man. So we'll see where we've got to smoke. Anywhere really will do, I'd imagine. But yeah, just check this shit out. Yeah, boy. Pirate's flag. The flag is being raised. Oh my god.
Almost there. What hoodie is that?
About 100 foot up.